This is Vance Chemistry Urdu channel. Data lecture for chemistry FSC classes and lecture is given by Shanza Asif Vance. And we are discussing about chapter 9 aromatic hydrocarbon. Today we are discussing about reactions of benzene. And we will discuss here general pattern of reactivity of benzene towards electrophile. Benzene is a very stable molecule due to extensive delocalization. Delocalized electron of benzene ring are not available for nucleophilic attack like that of alkene. Alkene is very reactive. Their double bond can easily be donated to electrophile. But benzene is very stable and delocalized electrons are not easily available for attack of electrophile. As electrons of benzene ring do not support the attack of weak electrophile due to delocalization, so if we want to attack electrophile, then we should take powerful electrophile. That is so powerful, that should be so powerful that it can penetrate and break the delocalization sheath of electronic cloud of benzene ring. If powerful electrophile is attacking, then what is obtained? Substitution product is obtained, addition product is not obtained. Why addition product is not obtained? Because by adding electrophile, then aromaticity is lost, stability is lost. The only possible product therefore is substitution. And what is substitution? Replacement of hydrogen of benzene ring with any other electrophile such as halogen, nitro group, etc. In substitution products are only favorable because in this stability of benzene, aromaticity of benzene is retained. In case of ethene, there is a double bond, 1 sigma 1 pi bond. Pi bond is loosely held between two carbon atoms, so it is very reactive and it can be given to any species as it is capable of donating electron pairs, so it is known as nucleophile. It is known as nucleophile and powerful reactive nucleophile. But when we observe about benzene having 3 double bonds, so it should be very reactive, very powerful nucleophile, but it is very weak nucleophile. Why it is weak nucleophile? Because of extensive delocalization. You have seen in previous lectures that benzene ring has 5 resonating structures and pi bond are all time in resonance. Therefore, although 3 electron pair, pi electron pair are present, but these are not easily available for electrophile. These 3 pi electron are not easily available for electrophile. Now, what should be mechanism of electrophilic substitution? That means attack of electrophile and replacement of electrophile with the hydrogen. Of electrophilic substitution, first step is generation of strong electrophile. As benzene is weak electrophile, so there should be strong electrophile. Generation of strong electrophile. What will be strong electrophile? That has full-fledged positive charge. We have to generate that electrophile that having full-fledged positive charge. We will discuss general mechanism with the help of halogenation. That means replacement, electrophilic substitution of halogen with hydrogen with halogen. We will take Br2 bromine and we will add in it iron. Then first it will form FeBr 3. That FeBr3 again react with Br2. It will remove bromide with its bond, and complex is formed, that is FeBr4 negative. Plus, you know that halogen are more electronegative, so it is very difficult to keep positive charge on it, so it is prepared in this way. In this way you can see that strong electrophile is generated. Strong electrophile is generated. Now step 2, second step, attack of strong electrophile. Attack of strong electrophile. Attack of strong electrophile on the weak nucleophile, that is, what is weak nucleophile? Benzene. That bromonium ion, that double bond attack on strong electrophile. Br is attached, and now benzene has positive charge, so this is known as arenium ion. Arenium ion is produced. You know that benzene is stable due to aromatic character, and aromatic character is due to 6 pi electron. But when you observe that group, you can see that aromaticity is lost. Aromaticity is lost. Therefore, that first step, that attack of bromine is slow step, because this is unfavorable, because aromaticity is lost in this step. Arenium ion was formed in second step, and but problem was for this step that aromaticity is lost. In second step, what's happened? We have taken FeBr3 as catalyst, but in first step it is utilized and it will form FeBr4 minus. That FeBr4 minus will attack on hydrogen, and benzene ring regain its aromaticity. Benzene ring regain its aromaticity, and catalyst is also recovered. And what is formed? Br minus bromide ion react with proton to form HBr. That is a general mechanism. That is very important lecture, and mechanism, prepare it properly, because this is mechanism related to mechanism of halogenation, nitration, alkylation, acylation. If you prepare it carefully, then all will be easy for you. Focus on your goal, stay at home, work hard, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.